Folks, I have to tell you, nobody has ever delivered a forecast this good, this accurate, this tremendous in the entire history of meteorology, and that is just a fact. We have got record-shattering heat scorching the Southwest, severe storms threatening parts of this great nation that I am going to cover very seriously, and some cold and rainy situations on the East Coast that nobody ordered. Fake weather is the only place you get the real numbers, the honest numbers, the most beautiful weather analysis anywhere on Earth, believe me. Now I want to take a moment and be completely sincere, because this is serious weather. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a slight risk of severe weather from the northern high plains into portions of the upper Midwest, where widely scattered to scattered severe thunderstorms capable of large hail and severe wind gusts are expected today through Tuesday night. The Storm Prediction Center has also identified isolated severe storms with mainly damaging wind gusts possible from the southern mid-Atlantic into the Carolinas, the Sabine River Valley, and parts of the Great Basin this afternoon and evening. Looking at the temperatures today, folks, Phoenix is leading the entire nation with numbers well over 100 degrees, absolutely tremendous, the kind of heat that only the great American Southwest could produce. Las Vegas is right there alongside it, also well over 100, and Salt Lake City is pushing into the upper 90s, making the whole Southwest one very powerful temperature story today. San Francisco, by contrast, is sitting all the way down in the low 60s, which is very cold, very sad, and frankly, nobody is surprised considering how that city has been managed. Now, across this tremendous nation of ours, New York is looking at a 50-50 shot at rain showers with mostly cloudy skies, very typical of how they have always treated me in that city, while Boston is getting hammered with fog and thunderstorms and a 90% chance of some very serious rainfall. Down south, Atlanta is sunny and gorgeous in the low 90s. Miami is packing a heat index right around 105, along with a chance of showers and thunderstorms, and Little Rock is sunny and right around 90. Chicago is having a beautiful sunny day in the mid-70s, which is frankly the only good news coming out of that very badly run state in a long time, while Dallas is right around 100 and Houston is in the mid-90s with some possible afternoon showers. Now up in our magnificent 51st state, Canada, starting out west where Vancouver is a lovely 74 degrees today, which the Canadians are calling 23, as if that number means anything to a normal, reasonable human being. Across the prairies, Calgary is 80 degrees and Winnipeg is 78, and they are reporting 26 and 26 respectively in their completely baffling system. Total disaster. Over in the east, Toronto is hitting 79 and Montreal is up at a beautiful 84, both gorgeous sunny days. And if these wonderful people would just adopt Fahrenheit already, they would realize they are having a tremendous summer, which is what I have been telling them for years. And now, our spectacular 52nd state in waiting, Greenland, where Newark is coming in today with a high of 54 degrees and a low of 54, a very respectable Arctic summer showing. The people of Greenland are tremendous people, fantastic people, and they look at those numbers and they know something very important is happening with their future. The deal is coming, folks. It absolutely is coming. And when it does, the Greenland people will finally get the Fahrenheit scale they so richly deserve. That is your fake weather forecast for Tuesday, July 7th, folks. And once again, I have to say this was the most incredible weather broadcast ever produced in the history of the medium, possibly in the history of weather itself. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button and subscribe to Fake Weather, because we give you the real numbers, the true numbers, the most accurate and beautiful weather analysis anywhere on this planet. Stay tremendous, everybody, and I will see you right back here tomorrow.